Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about pointer in structure. So let's get started. First of all, the definition. If you are asked in the interview, what are pointers in structure, then you will give a one-liner answer and that will be, a structure pointer is defined as the pointer which points to the address of the memory block of that structure. When we declare and define a structure, a memory block is assigned to that structure and the pointer which points or refers to that memory block is called that structure pointer. Okay, and what is different in case of structure pointer? As we have seen earlier, in case of structures, we access the structure elements using the dot operator, but in case of a structure, when the pointer is used, the arrow operator is used to access its elements. All of this will get clear with an example code, so let's get into it. First of all, we are declaring a structure named student, and it will have two elements. This is a structure in which the name student is our structure data type and the variables name and roll numbers are the element of that structure. Now let's see what will we use in our main block. So as usual, int main, then we are defining two variables of the data type structure student that we just declared earlier. Struct student, the first variable is a pointer variable named student pointer and the second one is a normal variable named student1. Now let's see how do we use them. This one is a normal variable and this one is pointer variable and both are used for the structure itself. Next, the student pointer is a pointer, so it must be pointing to some address, right? And so we are assigning the address of student 1. So now we have two variables, student 1 whose address is assigned to this pointer. Next, we are trying to get input from the user to store in the elements of that student data type of our structure. So we are getting it in a usual way using scanf. And now here is the main difference. While trying to access the elements of the structure, we are not using the dot operator here this time. We are using the arrow operator. The arrow operator is composed of a dash and a greater than sign. It looks like an arrow, that's why it is called arrow operator. So student pointers name will be assigned with the value that the user will input in this line. And similarly, in another line, we are trying to get the student's roll number and that also using student pointer, that is our structure pointer. And that's why we are using arrow operator. So in this way, we use the pointer in a structure to access the elements of a structure. So I hope you have understood the concept and the difference between the structure while using a normal variable and the structure while using a pointer variable. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Prepare very well for your job interviews and all the very best.